Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to limit Windows Update bandwidth in Windows 11. When you start Settings, click on Windows Update. Here click on Advanced Options. Underneath Additional Options, click on Delivery Optimization. Then again click on Advanced Options. There is two methods you can use. First one, absolute bandwidth. Second is percentage of measured bandwidth. Select this box, limit how much bandwidth for downloading updates in the background. You can increase or decrease number as your requirement. Check this box to limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the foreground. Also, you can use percentage of measured bandwidth. There are some more options. Upload settings, limit how much bandwidth is used for uploading updates to other PCs on the internet. Monthly upload limit. So this is the all settings guys you can change and customize to limit Windows Update bandwidth in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.